Very good.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
What is the necessity for changing the link?
No,
Why this
see,
link?
because this multilingual class is available in that link. So, oh, I should get every week at least one or two guests. So then people will get confused. So this link multilingual is possible. So correct, that is the idea. Okay?
Okay, very good.
Okay? In that it is not allowing multilingual. Hare Krishna. चलेंगे, we will have nice kirtan, द्वादशी कीर्तन. करताल है, नया करताल लो. हाँ, दो नया करताल है, आप भी पकड़ो. आप भी पकड़ो. 1, 2, 3, क्लीन होना चाहिए. टक टक चिन, टक टक चिन. चलो रेडी. जय राधा कुंज बिहारी. जय राधा कुंज बिहारी. गोपीजनवल्लभा गिरिवरधारी. गोपीजनवल्लभा गिरिवरधारी. Yashodanandanam Rajanarajana. Yashodanandanam Rajanarajana. Unnati Ramanatari. Yamuna Tiravanachari. Jayo Ranghamanoma Kunjamihari. Gopi Janapalama Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Prabhupada ki. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
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 Narayanam Namaskritya
Narayanam Namaskritya
Naram Chaiva Narottamam
Naram Chaiva Narottamam
Devim Saraswatim Vyasam
Devim Saraswatim Vyasam
Tato Jayamudhiraye
Tato Jayamudhiraye
Nashta Prayesha Bhadreshu
Nashya Prayesho Bhadresho
Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya
Nityam Bhagavat Sevaya
Bhagavati Uttama Shloke
Bhagavati Uttama Shloke
Bhaktir Bhavati Naishtiki
Bhaktir Bhavati Nashtaki.
Hare Krishna Hare Krishna
Hare Krishna Hare Krishna
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare
Hare Rama Hare Rama
Hare Rama Hare Rama
Rama Rama Hare Hare
Rama Rama Hare Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Ram Ram, Hare Hare,
Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Shakti Traya Sametaya,
शक्ति त्रय समेताया
Meduse Ahankritatmane,
मीरूषे अहङ्कृतात्मने
Chet Akoti Rupaya,
कोटिरूपाय
Namo Vacho Vibhutaye,
नमो वाचो विभूतये
Shakti Traya Sametaya,
शक्तित्रय समेताय
Meduse Ahankritatmane,
मीरूषे अहङ्कृतात्मने
Chet Akoti Rupaya,
कोटिरूपाय
Namo Vacho Vibhutaye,
नमो वाचो विभूतये
Shakti Traya Sametaya,
शक्तित्रय समेताय
Shakti Traya Sametaya,
त्रय समेताय
Meduse Ahankritatmane,
मीरूषे अङ्कृतात्मने
Meduse Ahankritatmane,
मीढूषे अङ्कृतात्मने
Chet Akoti Rupaya,
कोटिरूपाय
Chet Akoti Rupaya,
कोटिरूपाय
Namo Vacho Vibhutaye,
नमो वाचो विभूतये
Shakti Traya Sametaya,
शक्तित्रय समेताय
Meduse Ahankritatmane,
मीढूषे अहङ्कृतात्मने
Chet Akoti Rupaya,
कोटिरूपाय
Namo Vacho Vibhutaye,
नमो वाचो विभूतये
sorry.
Shaktitraya Samhita Yuja Ahankritaatmane
Hare Krishna, let us continue. Shakti Traya, three kinds of energies. Sametaya, unto the reservoir. Meduse, unto Rudra.
unto Rudra,
Ahankrita Atmane,
Ankrita Atmane,
the source of egotism.
the source of egotism.
Chetaha,
Chetaha,
knowledge.
knowledge.
Akuti,
Akuti,
eagerness to work.
eagerness to work.
Rupaya,
Rupaya,
unto the form of.
unto the form of
Namaha, my
Namaha,
obeisances.
my obeisances.
Vachaha, unto
Vachaha,
the sound.
unto the sound.
Vibhutaye,
Vibhutaye,
unto the different types of opulences.
unto the different types of opulences.
My dear Lord, you are the supreme controller of the worker, sense activities and results of sense activities, karma. Therefore, you are the controller of the body, mind and senses. You are also the supreme controller of egotism, known as Rudra. You are the source of knowledge and the activities of the Vedic injunctions. My dear Lord,
My dear
you are the
Lord,
supreme controller
you are the supreme controller
of the worker,
of the
the
worker
worker,
sense activities,
sense activities,
results of the sense activities,
and results
results
of
of
the
the sense activities,
karma.
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 Therefore,
Therefore,
you are the controller
You are the
the
controller
controller
of the body,
of the body,
mind, and
mind,
senses.
and
You
senses.
are also the supreme controller
You
you
are
are
also
also the
supreme
supreme
controller
controller,
of egotism,
of
known
egotism,
as Rudra.
known
known
as
as
You
Rudra.
Rudra.
are the source of knowledge
You are the
You are the
source of
source of
knowledge
and
knowledge
the activities
and the
and
of the
activities
Vedic
activities
injunction.
of the
of the
Vedic
Vedic
injunctions.
injunctions. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Yes, Supriti Mataji, yeah.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Purport by Sri Evangelist A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada ki jai. Everyone acts under the dictation of the ego. Therefore, Lord Shiva is trying to pacify or purify false egotism through the mercy of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Since Lord Shiva or Rudra is himself the control of egotism, he indirectly wants to be purified by the mercy of the Lord so that his real egotism can be awakened. Of course, Lord Rudra is always spiritually awake, but for our benefit, he is praying in this way. For the impersonalist, pure egotism is Aham Brahmasmi. I am not this body, I am the spirit soul. But in its actual position, the spirit soul has devotional activities to perform. Therefore, Lord Shiva prays to be engaged both in mind and in action in the devotional service of the Supreme Lord according to the direction of the Vedas. This is a process for purifying false egotism. Chetaha means knowledge. Without perfect knowledge, one cannot act perfectly. The real source of knowledge is the vachaha, or sound vibration given by the Vedic instructions. Here, the word vachaha or vibration means the Vedic vibration. The origin of creation is sound vibration, and if the sound vibration is clear and purified, perfect knowledge and perfect activities actually become manifest. This is enacted by the chanting of the Maha Mantra Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thus, Lord Shiva is praying again and again for the purification of the body, mind, and activities through the purification of knowledge and action under the pure directions of the Vedas. Lord Shiva prays to the Supreme Personality of Godhead so that his mind, senses, and words will all turn towards devotional activities only. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Om Ajnana-timirandasya Jnananjana-shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishnaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisheshaya Shunyavadi Pashat Deshatarine. Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Shakti Traya Sametaya,
शक्तित्रय समेताय
Vidushe Ahankritatmane,
ईरुषेण कृतात्मने
चेत आकोटिरूपाय
एकाकीर्तिरूपाय
नमो वाचो विभूतये.
नमो वाचो विभूतये.
My dear Lord, you are the supreme controller of the worker. Sense activities reserves the sense activities karma. Therefore, you are the controller of the body, mind, and senses. You are also supreme controller of egotism, known as Rudra. You are the source of knowledge and activities of the Vedic injunctions. Ego. You know, many people say that actually the biggest problem in spiritual life is isko to bahut ego hai. So the first thing we learn in spiritual life and we are surprised is that ego is not wrong, false ego is wrong. Like Hanumanji also has, I am a servant of Lord Rama. Right? So we should also feel, we are all Prabhupada Nagas, we are all servants of Srila Prabhupada. And that's our privilege. And in one sense, it's also a pride. We are representing a great Acharya. That is real ego. I'm a servant of Acharya. I'm a servant of Krishna. That's real ego. And false ego is something else. Anything else than this is false ego, ahankara. And a person is so insecure in false ego because any platform other than subordination to Krishna is full of fear and anxiety. But a platform that I am a servant of Krishna, the person becomes actually peaceful. So when we are disturbed, the very reason is actually because we have false ego. Isko bahut ego hai. When people say isko ego, they are actually referring to false ego. Because they don't know about real ego. Society, bahut egoistic hai. That means it's full of. So then when somebody has no identification with the body and mind, even if suppose you speak something to him which is unpleasant, it does not get hurt. Therefore, that's the difference between Brahmana and Kshatriya. Brahmana, we should not insult because it's Namo Brahmana Devaya. Real Brahmana is very dear to Krishna. But suppose somehow he is insulted, he does not get disturbed. Because he is identifying, Brahma Janati iti Brahmanaha. He is identifying with Brahman. He has no identification with the body that causes false ego. He has no identification with the mind, subtle body. He has no identification. So you say you are an idiot, you're talking about the body. So suppose somebody says, your pen is not good. You're not disturbed. When you're identifying with the pen, somebody says the pen is not good, you'll get very hurt. So because he has no identification with the body and mind, anything favorable or unfavorable, anything honorable and dishonorable does not touch him. Amanina manadena. He's not expecting honor, but he's encouraging you, giving you so much respect. Kirtanaya sadahari. In this platform, somebody can continuously chant the Hare Krishna mantra. So it's not easy. Sarvopadi vinirmuktam. Now let us do cross-referencing. Sarvopadi vinirmuktam. Give up all kind of upadis. It's very important. Because otherwise Kundi praise will come. Janma Sharya Shutashi. If these things have given upadhi to him, I have great janma, I have a great wealth with me, I am a rich man. Shuta, I am so learned. She, I am so handsome. Everybody thinks he is handsome. Janma Sharya Shuta Shivi Edamana Madaha Puman. If these kind of upadhis somebody is having, he becomes intoxicated. Na ev arti abhidatum vai. He cannot offer feelingly praise to the Lord. Because upadhi, if somebody is accepting, then what happens actually? That causes some kind of satisfaction. Like in college when they go for convocation. Actually it is meaningless. But certificate can come to home also. You just pay a little 50 rupees, they'll courier to your house. Still people go. And there are 1,000 students there. When one gets up 999, they're clapping. And that clap is without any meaning. They're not clapping affection, they're not clapping because you have done some big achievement. You know you didn't study anything. You also know you didn't learn anything. Everybody knows that. Okay? But still all 99 are clapping, as if you start believing, and people go for that. Then other idiot gets up, other 999 are clapping. They're clapping without any meaning, and ho, I did something. See, they're all clapping, look at this. Some people go crazy. Janmasharya Shuta. So these kind of upadhis that we are having, that actually will block your spiritual life. It's kind of a weed. Therefore, the sixth thing will destroy bhakti, kutinati. Kutinati means duplicitous behavior. That means now he has an agenda. So why somebody will be kutinati? That means apart from achieving Shuddha Bhakti, he has some agenda. Now he is duplicitous behavior, correct? Duplicitous means he is trying to use you, exploit you, make advantage of you because he has some personal, private, selfish agenda, correct? Therefore Kutinati will come. Jiva Himsa, so much he is absorbed in himself, he does not mind even giving pain to others. Okay? I'm analyzing. I'm not saying I'm on this above this platform. Just introspecting. Everyday classes, actually, I take class for myself. Kutinati, दूसरा सुने न सुने, मैं तो सुन रहा हूँ. Kutinati जीव हिंसा, निषिदाचार. Your behavior is not what it should be. You are breaking regulatory principles. Nishidachar. Kutinati, जीव हिंसा, निषिदाचार, mana puja pratishtha. So these six kind of weeds, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu identified them, correct? They will choke our bhakti. They will not be. And sometimes what happens, we don't know those weeds, and somebody, out of his mercy and kindness, reminds of all those weeds. Prabhuji, aapko bahut ego ho gaya. And we become very hurt. Arey Baba is helping you, trying to remove your weeds. Nahi, chune ka nahi, sara weeds chahiye. Shanvatam se gata Krishna punya shavana kirtanaha hridayantasvaya bhadrani vidhunoti surha satam. Krishna being a well-wisher, remove all the unwanted items from the heart. But before removing, he asks you. Just say, you ask somebody, can you clean my room? He'll clean. After cleaning, he would have kept some kachra, but before throwing, he'll ask you, Prabhuji, do you want this? And because we do not want to give up our unwanted habits, we say, no, I want it. Don't take it away. Don't take it away. All the kachara we keep back. So actually Krishna wants to remove, but he asks before taking away. Vidhunoti swasatam. Krishna helps us. True. If you are very sincere, he'll give you intelligence that you can reject it, but you have to make a decision. He will not make that decision. You have to make Krishna. Spiritual life is voluntary. You have to make a decision. Okay, I don't want this. So there what we make a mistake. Janmeshwarya Shuta Shivi Edamana Madhapumana Evarite Adutta Tam Akinchana Vochara. Krishna is only for the people who does not possess any upadhi. Akinchana, who doesn't have any possession. So he may have the richest man in the world, but he has no possession. He's totally detached from it. Tam Akinchana Gochara. So this is a very beautiful a discussion Lord Shiva is initiating. He's praying to the Lord. Prabhupada is saying in the purport, Lord Shiva does not need to pray for this. He is already beyond illusion. But he is asking for us to the Lord, my Lord, please, that our ego get purified. Because see, it's very important. When I'm identifying with the body, then I have ambitions of more of karma kandi kind. This I get. Even I go to temple, I should get this, I should get this comfort, I should get this comfort. Correct? I am praying. So most of the people, even though they go to the temple, they are not identifying themselves as the servant of Krishna. And because of that, they are not identifying themselves as not the body, spirit, soul, which is servant of Krishna. Sarupena mukti hitva anuta rupam sarupena vyavasthiti. Mukti means to be situated in our sarupa. And what is sarupa? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Jivara sarupoy krishnayara nityadasa. So real liberation from the world is to be situated in the platform that I am servant of Krishna. That's all. So this is what the purification, and all the false ego is taken away. only one thing will remain, I am a servant of Krishna. Correct? And that's a very amazing platform. But it is not true. We have so much ego, heavy ego, false ego, which is rubbed. Therefore, when we live in association of devotees, Krishna will rub this false ego sometimes. Somebody will say, because in our behavior we are not perfect all the time. Even we are not perfect, somebody also will make mistake. Completely in control of Krishna, nothing is out of control of Krishna. You will hurt your false ego. So then those who are progressive, those who are sincere, okay, at that moment you get angry and something, but later you can just introspect. I have a lot of pride. There is so much identification in the body and mind, and therefore I am getting hurt. Now you take examples of people in the Shastra who are free from false ego. Yes, anybody? No false ego.
Ambarish Maharaj.
Ambarish Maharaj, yes, such a great Acharya, such a great emperor of the world, and he's standing in front of the sage like this. Very good. And when he made a demon to kill him, he did not even repel. He could have told his army, attack him or taken a weapon. He says, no, I must have done something wrong. Correct? No ahankara. He's not saying, I did right, I just drank water, I did not eat food. What do you think of yourself? No, he's a sage. I am not, see, because he is a sage, I have no capacity and authority to judge him. He did not judge, he never judged, in my little analysis, he never judged Durvasa Muni. Other would have told, oh, क्या बेवकूफ आदमी, दिमाग खरा देखो कितना अहंकार है. He is not judging. Because I'm not supposed to judge a great sage. I'm a Kshatriya. Similarly, Arjuna never judged Bhishma and Drona. It's not my business. I don't know why they are fighting. Hey Baba, ये क्या कर रहे हो? एडमिन लोग इसको बंद करो ना. ये देखो, बाबा अपने को म्यूट करके रखो. हाँ, ठीक है. Anybody? Yeah, chalo. So this is one we analyze of Ambarish Maharaj. So many angles you can analyze. Amazing, amazing. Yeah. Please take from Prabhupada books. Though I don't want to hear anything which is not there in Prabhupada books. So if you know that instance from a serial or TV, don't tell me. Okay? Yes, Prabhuji.
Sukadev Goswami.
Shukadev Goswami. What is the instance? How do you say is free from ego?
Prabhuji, because from the moment he was born itself, he was already knowing how Maya is so binding, and so he didn't want to fall trap to Maya.
But, okay, no identification with the body, no identification therefore even with the parents, okay? I just walked out of the house, unconcerned, very good. So when he came to the assembly of the great sages, they honored him, dishonored him, nothing. You know, when he was walking, people are throwing stones at him, not bothered. People are making fun of him, not bothered. When he attended the assembly, all the great sages got up and paid obeisance, not bothered. So free from any kind of ego. Yes?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Yudhishthira Maharaj.
Okay, tell me, how do you say Yudhishthira Maharaj is free from ego?
Like when he was crowned as king, he still took care of Dhritarashtra, who had done so much of all kind of things. Atataina, they were called as, like they tried to kill them. They insulted. They put their house on fire. Like
Still, in spite of all that.
Yeah, in spite of all that, he took good care of him. Actually, he wanted him to sit also as a king. But then,
Very nice. So and also he showed no identification. When he came to know Krishna and left the world, just walked out of the palace. Correct? No ahankara, no ahankara. Otherwise, how he can do that? Such a simple life he can accept. Correct? Okay, you agree? Yes. Yes, anybody else? Any other personality? All personalities we know of, you analyze. Sureshwar Prabhu. Yes, which is the one?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Sadhe Pranam. Actually, during that Vrindavan Yatra, Prabhuji gave a lecture. In that lecture, he said we were to go to that Barsana, and that time that Ladli Radharani temple that is situated on Brahma Parvat, and that is Lord Brahma himself, because he wanted to have the dust of devotees. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Very good. So we have, in fact, we have in Vrindavan Brahma, we have Lord Shiva also, and then we have even this personality, Uddhava, all trying to get the dust of the devotees. Correct? Uddhava was a very big scholar, very big scholar. And therefore, Lord Krishna sent him, you be the guru of these gopis. They will die otherwise, guide them philosophically that how they should handle the separation. And he came there and he brought Krishna's letter, and it's not even unreadable. Even Krishna, hand was shaking when he was writing letter to the gopis, correct? Unimaginable, these things. So, and when because he's so extremely intelligent, he can read any handwriting. He read that letter to the gopis and he explained to them. So in that way, he was acting like their guru. But then, when he saw the devotion of the gopis, he was wonder-struck. So he had no ego. What are these people? I'm a great scholar, I know all the Shastra, I have such big, big gurus, and what are this personality? These are some village girls, I never gone to even Gurukul. When he saw actually a devotee is much greater than him, he prayed, let me be a grass in Vrindavan so these devotees can touch my heart. So no ego. Correct? Even though he's so learned, he saw actually they are much advanced, much more advanced than me. And he prayed to be trampled by the dust of their lotus feet. So beautiful. Yes. Yeah, who is the other example? Start. Vipin Vilas ji, whoever is there. Wait. Let us hear Vipin Vilas.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam. Sanatan Goswami and Rup Goswami is Prabhuji.
What?
Because they were the trusted ministers in the government of Nawab Hussain Shah. But even though after meeting with Lord Chaitanya, they surrendered everything and he accepted the part of the movement.
Yeah, it's not either. Taktva Turnamashesha Mandalapati. They were all in big circles, big we like to be. Sometimes we have the anartha, we want to meet important people. And by meeting them, we also feel we are important. I know him, I have his number with me. Sometimes you're traveling on the road, the traffic man calls, kisko baat kar raha hai? Abhi phone lagata, baat kar. And he is shaking, the traffic policeman. Kisse sir baat kara rahe ho? Le, DIG sir, oh re, sir, we will do like that. And we feel very privileged to do all those things. So, no. So, we should be free. Yes, Vipin Vilasji, you have taken which example?
The Sanatan Goswami and Rupa Goswami.
Sanatan. So Sanatan Rupa Goswami are so exalted, but when they met Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they had the grass within their mouth. That's a sign of humility, and they were with great humility. Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prema Pradhayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namane Gauratushe Namaha. They were very wonderfully offering prayers to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Yeah, any other personality who was free from ego?
King Prataparudra Prabhu.
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
King Pratap Rudra, very good. Wait, one by one. King Pratap Rudra, how he was free from, tell me how he was free from ego?
King wanted to meet Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, but Chaitanya Mahaprabhu refused to meet him because he is a king. And later he was very upset and he wanted to give up his life also. Later Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya convinced him that not to worry. On the Gundicha Marjana time, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is dancing in front of the Lord, then immediately catch his leg and serve him. You'll be in that way you'll be able to meet him.
And what are you going to sing at that time? Gopi Geet, correct?
Yes.
Beautiful. Okay, so this is very, very nice. So we have Pratap Rudra, so humble. He was begging, he was saying, I am ready to give up my throne and become a mendicant if the Lord is not going to meet me. I don't want. So totally free from ego. Yeah. Yes, anybody else? Any personality free from ego?
Hare Krishna Prabhu. Draupadi, when Ashwatthama was brought to her to take the revenge, that time she will excuse him and without any ego she will ask him to forego because he is a Guru's son. So like that she won't have any this one against him.
Yeah, no identification of the body. She could forgive the biggest offense. And rather, amanina, but he has offended her. Killed the children, means there is no offense greater than that. You're offending a person. But manadena, let me give respect. He is the son of a great personality, Dronacharya. Let me give my respects to him. Very nice, very well. I'm thinking about Droni, wife of Dronacharya. We deserve to give her respect, not pain. Next, yes, anybody else?
Jadabharata, Prabhuji. Jadabharata.
How do you say Jadabharata is free from ego?
So he was carrying the palanquin and he was jumping around so that he does not step onto the ants. So the king
Yes.
gets angry and he comes down and he starts shouting at him. But he does not feel insulted. Instead, that's when he starts explaining things to the king. And then the king realizes that he's a very great soul.
Very good. Well, wait. Let me understand this more. See, when he was born in the next life as Jadabharata, he was actually previous life also, The king used to give up his post. Correct? In the metal world, you see the politician till they die, not politician, anybody in the world today, because only aim of life is money and post. So till they die, they don't give a post. है ना? किसी politician को retire होते देखा है अभी नहीं. That America, the Biden again wanted to stand for election, he was telling. Now they found cancer, so he will not stand. Otherwise, he would have again wanted to stand. छोड़ते नहीं है. And 88, 89, we had in Tamil Nadu one person with big specs. जब तक शरीर नहीं छोड़ेगा, they will not leave the post. Because there is no other aim in life. But previously, imagine, he's such a big king, he left everything. And he's in the very humble life in the forest doing tapasya. And a slight mistake happened by him. It was not any regulative principle, just got a little, charity. That is a upadharma. Nearest to parodharma is upadharma. This is also good, no? I am helping poor person, one deer, and he got trapped by that, forgot pure devotion service, got into some social welfare work. And then next life, Krishna gave him a chance. He became a deer, and then he came back to the life, and in this life he was Jadabharata. And he decided to go silent. And whole family is insulting him, all boys are making fun of him, his brothers, he was silent. His father trying to teach him Gayatri, bhoo, bhoo, like that he used to do. Are gadhe, these people speak like that, no problem. And then the family left him outside, the father passed away, then nobody was there, the brothers got irritated, left him outside in the farm with no respect. No problem, no disturb, no ego. And they used to give him some used waste food to eat, no ego. So you can see that actually such a great personality. And when he was called, you can hold the chariot of the king, no problem. He's holding, he thought, I am my own karma, I am burning. He's holding the chariot. So no ego, correct? He's a self-realized soul. Himself was such a great personality. Krishna gave him a memory of his mistake, correct? He knows, main raja, ye kya raja, isse bada raja tha main. He is not doing, peacefully holding the chariot. No ego. So actually it is true, as we advance in spiritual life, ego vanishes. And this is one of the reasons when people come to meet devotees, they feel very happy, because they can actually feel it as an ego. Hare Krishna, hai na? That's what devotees do when somebody comes to them, say, Hare Krishna. He can see this person doesn't have ego. See, when we get angry, we can also know I have ego. And I am therefore not fit for spiritual advancement. Because I have. Why? People get angry. Because they have ego. Hai na? Unnecessarily angry. Tune ye bola, mere liye, tune mere liye bola. And they get angry. Not that actually this is good for me. I should try to reflect, I should try to reform. Okay. Is there any instance when there was somebody who was doing mistake, was told, and he did not get hurt, but rather corrected that mistake? See,
Vidhura Prabhuji.
Okay.
Vidhura Prabhuji, Hare Krishna, Vidhura. He was
Vidhura.
the son
Yeah.
of Adasura.
So much things Duryodhana spoke, correct? That's what instance?
Yes.
What is the instance?
Like he tried to show them the reasoning that they should give half the kingdom to the Pandavas, and he was asking them to be fair to the Pandavas, being the brother, son, so they had full authority upon the kingdom. But then Dhritarashtra and Duryodhana, they were not listening. So after many trials, where he was insulted in the where everyone was in the assembly, and he was called Dasiputra.
Very good, very. So everybody forgot Haridas Thakur, our hero.
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
No ego. Haridas Thakur, no ego, isn't it? So much he is being beaten in the marketplace. So much. Whenever Lord Chaitanya used to meet him, he said, Doria, your humility breaks my heart. He will not even come in the assembly, he is standing out, at a distance. Always. Imagine he's Brahma himself, and what condition he was taking. So humble position always. True? No ego.
Yes, Prabhuji. And
Yes.
even Raghunatha Das, he was eating the waste prasadam.
Yes, the son of a billionaire, and he is eating, begging and eating, So we can understand, and eating later after that, eating some remnant. Okay, so we have done analysis, we understood the principle. Enough. Which is the one now?
Prabhu, the Prakashananda Saraswati and Mayavadi Sanvasi in Varanasi, he insulted when he came to know that Mahaprabhu has come and his followers were telling some sannyasi has come. So he insulted, he said, call over him and let him come. And Mahaprabhu very humbly accepted his request. He went and met Prakashananda Saraswati and sat down where he was sitting on the chair or something on top, on the asan, but Mahaprabhu sat down and very humbly went on his request.
Right.
Hare Krishna.
Mahaprabhu did not even enter the assembly actually. He sat outside where he washed feet. And previously houses we have tap outside to wash the feet. So people, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sat down there only, in a very humble, no ego. And they touched Prakashananda Saraswati. Okay, Hare Krishna. Now, do we have a prayer where we are praying to the Lord to free us from false ego? Our Mataji is there, singer Mataji? No, he's not there. Oh yes, Krishna Sevani Mataji. You can think of any prayer, Mataji, in which the Lord is, in which we are praying to the Lord to free us from this anartha of false ego.
Actually, Saketi Matva Prasava, that Arjuna prayer, Prabhu, I don't exactly remember the words, but then it is from chapter 11. When he realizes that his own relative, his own very close is Lord Krishna, that particular time he requests to pardon him from whatever false ego he had. And
Can I sing?
calling, Hey Krishna, Hey Yadava, Hey Madhav. I used to call you
Can
like
I-
that.
Can
Which
I
one?
sing?
You located that, Sujata Mataji?
भक्त्या प्रसभयदुक्तं हे कृष्ण हे यादव हे सखेति अजानता महिमानन्तवेदन् मया प्रसन्ने. Sorry, I have forgotten.
But this much you remembered, huh? Huh? Which is the shloka? Which chapter? This is 11th chapter.
43, Shayad Prabhu. I'll just
Yeah.
check in.
Yeah, you locate, you can locate.
Chapter 11.
Are wait, Mata, Sujata Mataji, very nice. You remember so much.
Yes, Prabhu. This is 41, 42. After he offers
Yes,
obeisances,
I
Just wait. BG.
सखेति मत्या
Mataji, wait.
हे कृष्ण
41 and 40.
Yeah. Chalo.
वेदं सखेति मत्या प्रसभयदुक्तं हे कृष्ण हे यादव हे सखेति अजानता महिमानन्तवेदं मया प्रमादात् प्रणयेन वापि.
Very beautiful. Thank you, Mataji.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Huh? Chalo. Krishna Sevani Mataji, you can also give one more try. Yeah.
Sakheti matva prasabam yaduktam हे कृष्ण हे यादव हे सखेति अजानता महिमानं तवेदं मया प्रसादात् प्रणयेन वापि यच्चावः साधमसत्कृतोऽसि विहारशय्यासनभोजनेषु एको अथवाप्यच्युत तत्समक्षं तत्क्षामये त्वाम् अहमप्रमेयम्. It continues with asking.
You can read the translation. Yeah.
And 44 is where he literally pleads him to take care of all his faults.
Yeah. We'll do. Kenya Mataji, just read this translation, then we go.
Okay. Translation of 41 and 42. Thinking of you as my friend, I presumptuously address you as, O Krishna, O Yadav, O my dear friend. I was ignorant of your majesty, showing negligence and undue affection. And if jestfully I treated you with disrespect, while playing, resting, sitting, eating, when alone or before others, for all that I crave forgiveness. And continues with the prayers of forgiveness. 44, Prabhu, 11.44. Tasma pranamya pranidhaya kayam prasadayi tvam ahamisha metyam piteva putrasya sakheva sakyo priya priyayarhasi deva sodhum. Hare Krishna.
Yeah, this one we can sing again. Now we can see. Yeah.
Yes, Prabhu. Tasmat pranamya pranidhaya kayam prasadaye tvam aham ishametyam piteva putrasya sakheva sakyam priyah priyayarhasi deva sodhum. Pray. Therefore, O adorable Lord, bowing deeply and prostrating before you, I implore you for your grace. As a father tolerates his son, a friend forgives his friend, and a lover pardons the beloved, please forgive me for my offenses.
Beautiful.
Hare Krishna. His
Hare
divine
Krishna.
Jai.
Hare Krishna, everybody. Nice. So,
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Thank you. Then pranam.
Okay.
So many stories were told, Prabhu. Today I was listening so many instances. Thank you so much. Every day it's enlightening. Thank you so much, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Vancha
Kirtan was
Kalp.
awesome, Prabhu. Kirtan was beautiful today. Kirtan, what you made was amazing.
Yes, like Vrindavan.
Hari Hari, Hare Krishna.
That's what Prabhupada used to do. Prabhupada used to do Kirtan for 3-4 hours and he used to take class for 5 minutes.
Hari Bol. Thank you, Prabhu.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Pranam, Prabhuji.
We should have sometimes in the temple, no? 3-4 hours Kirtan like this, one tune, proper tune, keep singing for hours. But then nobody will be there. Everybody should come, then we can do. Okay, Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji, Balram Jayanti का कब कर रहे हो आप? हरे कृष्णा. बलराम जयंती की डेट.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Pranam,
हरे कृष्णा प्रभुजी.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Then pranam.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभुजी.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
कृष्णा प्रभुजी प्रणाम. जयंती की डेट कब निकाल रहे हो आप?
Thank you so much for the beautiful class.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Pranam.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Chalo, darshan. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama,
Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama,
Rama Rama, Hare
Hare
Hare.
Hare.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.